Hello guys, welcome back to the ESCAPADES. So subscribe to this channel for more of these online hacks. So today I'm going to show you how you are supposed to apply for your PSV badge, either for the tax institution, church, school and many more. So guys, you'll have to log in into your eCitizen account. If you don't know how to log into a eCitizen account, you can watch our previous videos. So from there, for the PSV badge, you'll have to go to the National Transport Authority new portal, whereby you're going to just have to wait for it to load. Then from there, just press continue and it's going to take you to the landing page of your account. From there, you have to go and apply for PSV badge, whereby it's going to bring you to the driver details. For this, for you to apply the PSV badge, you'll need the D1 and D2 classes. So you can apply for a PSV badge for the following institutions. Then from there, you'll have to put in a passport photo in JPG format or JPEG format into the above section. Here, the JPEG picture that you are going to put here is going to be showcased in your badge once you have completed the process and you have paid for it so that you can have the PSV badge. The PSV badge costs 1,050 shillings. The 50 shillings is the convenience fee for the application. For this, as we are moving on right now, the PSV badge does not necessarily require you to have a good conduct as before, as we are applying for the previous PSV badge using the previous or the latter system that we were having last year, which is 2023, and the years going below 2023. As I'm making this video today is 2024, and we are using this new platform to apply for the PSV badge using the eCitizen platform, which is the official government system as at 2024 during the making of this video. So as you can see here, we will just have to go ahead and upload our photo. Make sure the photo has a white background and it has a measurement of 600 by 600 inches or 600 by 600 by 600 pixels, almost similar to the one that we used to apply for the green card. Make sure it has a white background. So from there, after you attach your passport, you will proceed on to the payment section, whereby you're going to select the form of payment that you want to use, if it's M-Pesa or any other form of payment. As you can see, the amount there is 1,050. From there, you're just going to have to input the business number, account number, the amount and PIN. Then from there, just complete, press on complete so that the system can be able to register that you have paid for the relevant application, which is the PSV badge. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share this channel and this video with your friends and family, so that they can also be helped as what they want to apply for their PSV badges. So remember, the channel is the ESCAPADES. From there, after you have finished to pay for your application, it's going to redirect you to this particular page, whereby it's going to show you where you can download your badge or the receipt. There is a sample of the PSV badge that we have enabled us to apply. Thank you guys for watching.